Hey guys, it's Chelsea, who's barely alive, here with you today. I went to Fred Meyer's today after donating plasma to get my donation money off the card, and I found a couple of things on clearance that I really liked. So, this is Wonder Woman from the DC Superhero Girls. She was half off, and I love her. Okay. And then I've opened a couple of these in a past kind of random unboxing video. And since then, I've been keeping an eye on them, watching the price drop. And I bought a couple at other prices earlier, but they were less than $1.50 a piece today when I went into Fred Meyer's on like the super duper clearance. So I picked up 10 more, and I have 13 now that I'm going to open with you guys today. Don't worry, I know you guys can't see the bottom of the light box. I did put new fabric on the back for April, finally. Here's our checklist. I don't have my old one anymore, so I'm going to have to redo this one once I can go look. We do have the pink hamster already, and a couple of others. We have 3. I really want the unicorns. I think there's more than one. Yeah. There's the rainbow unicorn, and then there is the teal unicorn. Let's see. Let's see who we got. Whoop. There's our little outfit, one of them anyway. We got blue hair with what looks like a sailor cap, orange hair. Here's the little red. She looks like she's wearing a sailor outfit. I bet the blue hair is hers. And then this girl's outfit has fallen off, so there she is in her little underoos. Let's get her dress. There we go. She's pretty cute. Let's see. Who are you? Gymnast. And she is an everyday. She is the orange hair. She's yellow hair underneath. That's interesting. And then, so this blue, I love this one so much. Oh my god, she is too freaking cute. Who are you, my dear? You might be my new favorite. Before it was Hamster Girl. This is Sailor Girl, and she's also an everyday. Okay, and now for our next box. Well, she's all put together. Oops! She fell down. Maybe she's not all put together. Is that your hair, my dear? Is this... It looks like it. It matches you pretty well. It looks like you have a headset on. Let's see. Who are you? I ask myself that so many times opening these. Well, this is always so much easier when I have spouse face here to look up their names. Okay, New York City Shopper. She is also an everyday. Here's some red hair. Ooh, and a animal print dress, it looks like, maybe? Some kind of printed dress. And cute little, look at her little red lips are like the shape of a heart. And her cute little glasses. I like her bright green eyes too. Okay, who are you? looking for that. Oh, retro girl. Very much so. Cute. They're all so cute, guys. I just can't help myself. But I really want these unicorns. Where are they? Ooh. This one's a black bag. All of our other bags have been pink. Do you think that means something? Kind of black and shimmery. I don't know. You've lost all your clothes. I wonder, that looks like maybe the retro girl again, I think. It looks like it. That's totally her again. Did we get the same friend? Are they going to be the same in this one? Let's see. Yep, she came with the same friend. So we got 2 of this one now. Open another 9. Mixie. Okay, so back to the purple color again. Oh, well, this one looks new. Oh, look, we have a superhero. I bet this is her hair. She looks like maybe she's like a Wonder Woman. I love Wonder Woman so much. If you couldn't tell by that being the one I picked up earlier today, and she does. She looks like a little Wonder Woman. Look at her. What is your name? Star Hero. Okay, and this one looks like a bear of some kind. It says brown bear. Brown bear had pink hair. Cute. Okay. I guess I should probably start getting to editing some of the videos I've been filming. I haven't put anything up in a week or more. If you guys are still watching, thank you. Oh, and we got another Sailor Girl, who I love so much, and another gymnast. So the packs do match. If you get one the same, it would seem you get both the same. So there they are. Again. Okay. I wonder what was with that one differently colored blind bag. Ooh, there's somebody new. I don't know if that's your hair, though. Oh, that's probably your hair. Oh, well, that's funky. Oh, that is so funky. Oh, it's a mermaid. Oh, my goodness, that is so cute. The green mermaid. It's my favorite color, and it's so freaking cute. And her hair is sparkly. Oh, her hair is so big. It's large and in charge, guys. Her hair is amazing. Yeah, and her name is just Mermaid, and she is an ultra special. Yeah, she looks like it. And she came with, oh, this looks almost like, I don't know, she's super cute too. I love her hair. Who are you? Tiara Girl? Oh, that's a tiara on her head, I guess. She is also an everyday. Also, the first one was not an everyday. The first one was an ultra special, awesome, amazing mermaid. Oh, cute. Okay. In love already. I don't know whose hair is who. Yes, I do. Okay, this one's obvious. Okay. Okay. Oh, we are not getting too many repeats, though. We are getting so many awesome ones. Wow, she is so cute. Look at that. Pink hair. The lime green with skulls. That is so something I would wear in a heartbeat. It's amazing. Where are you? Roller punk. Okay, so those are roller skates on her feet. Cute. She's definitely punk. And then this one, I think I saw in one of the buyable sets. Oh, is it Fred Meyer's? At least one similar to her. So what is your name, dear? You are also cute. Flower Crown Girl. Super cute. So she is an everyday, and the roller punk. What were you, Missy? Was the roller punk an everyday? Did I say? I don't think I did. Where'd you go? Why you gotta run away from me? Okay, she was an everyday too. Is this video getting obnoxiously long for just unboxing my mini Mixie cubes or what, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. How long? It's too long. Did you make it this far? Oh. Alright, so we got Brown Bear and the Star Hero again. So there's Brown Bear. And here is Star Hero. And oops. It's just that one black line bag. Weird. Oh, this one is new. Outfit. Here is our body. Is this one? Oh, this one is. This one is a boy. This one is Surfer Boy. And he is an everyday. Who is his friend? Let's see. She's pretty cute. I can't tell exactly what's on her dress though. Cute little headband with a bow. I love bows and hair. There's a reason I make handmade bows. Purple Tutu. Well, that's a creative name. Not. She's an everyday. Let's see, we got 4 more left. Hang in there with me, guys. Oh, there's another black one. Will it mean anything this time? It's shiny. There's some sparkly things inside. Ooh, that is shiny. It's still not a unicorn. No unicorns. Ooh, but I got a dinosaur. Oh my god, she's a dinosaur. Oh my god. Or monster? I don't know. Oh my goodness. Look at her. What is your name, little Miss Thing? Green Dragon. She's a dragon. Oh, I love it. And then we've got like a little pop star, it looks like almost. Okay. Maybe not pop, because she also appears to have a little skull on her dress. I love her hair. Oh my goodness, I love her hair. Isn't she cute? Her name is Rock and Roll, my kind of gal. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What were their rarities? Rock and Roll is a special, and Green Dragon is also special. So they were specials in that black one. That was cool. are you? What are you? That I don't think is your hair. I think this one is your hair. I could be wrong. But I think that you are wearing a t-shirt of yourself. And that you are a boy. Who are you? Who are you? Where are you on the checklist, buddy? Why do you all hide from me? Oh, selfie boy. That is who he is. So he has a cell phone where he is taking a selfie, and he has a shirt where he is wearing his selfie. Don't date boys who are that selfie, guys. Oh, she's cute. And she's got a little pink guitar and like a tuxedo shirt on. That is also something I would wear. I like her outfit. And her name is Violinist. So maybe that is not a guitar. That is a pink violin. And she is in her concert clothes. I thought she was being funky. Alright, we have 2 more boxes to try and get a unicorn. I need a unicorn, guys. No, we got repeats. And this is our 3rd of the Retro Girl and her friend. Okay. I've got 3 of these guys, and I honestly probably won't keep any of them for myself. So 2 sets will probably go in my kids' box. I have NYC Shopper and Retro Girl. Who would like these repeats? Comment below and let me know. I'll get a hold of you and send them out. Yeah. Okay, last box, guys. Unicorn. 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 It's a black bag. It could be. Or not. These are the same one. The Retro Girl. Why were you guys in a black bag? That's so mean. Okay, so 2 people. 2 people comment down below if you want Retro Girl and NYC Shopper, since I got them 4 times. I will put 2 in my kids' urn figures box, 2 of each, and I will send 2 out to 2 lucky viewers. Okay, guys, hit subscribe and the notification bell if you want to know when I upload new videos. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, guys, here are my mini Mixie cues, starting with NYC Shopper and Retro Girl, who we got 4 each of. We've got the Sailor Girl. She's one of my favorites. The Brown Bear. The Star Hero. The Gymnast. Surfer Boy. Selfie Boy. The Flower Wreath Girl. Violinist. Her name was Purple Tutu. The Rock and Roller. Tiara Girl. And then she was the Punk Roller Girl or something like that. Green Dragon. And our Mermaid. So these 3 were my favorite. Go figure that they're all green. Right, guys? Don't forget that if you liked NYC Shopper and Retro Girl, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. The first 2 people to say something will get one of each of them.